Is it Friday yet? Is the weekend here? Is it time for me to kick things off with an ice cold beer? Been working so dang hard that I forget. Is it Friday yet? 8 o'clock on a Monday morning, all I think about is when the day will end. Gotta make a living somehow, that's the way it is for me and all my friends. We watch the hours pass, every day I ask, is it Friday yet? Is the weekend here? Is it time for me to kick things off with an ice cold beer? Been working so dang hard that I forget, is it Friday yet? That boss of mine, he drives me crazy. Maybe he's just thinking about the weekend too. He'd probably love to be invited, hang out with our rowdy crowd and act the fool. When we're off the clock, we'll pop a top. Is it Friday yet? Is the weekend here? Is it time for me to kick things off with an ice cold beer? Been working so dang hard that I forget, is it Friday yet? To know, is it Friday yet? Is the weekend here? Is it time for me to kick things off with an ice cold beer? Been working so dang hard that I forget, is it Friday yet? Is the weekend here? Is it time for me to kick things off with an ice cold beer? Been working so dang hard that I forget, is it Friday yet? Been working so dang hard that I forget, is it Friday yet?
Hurtin, Albertan, with nothing more to lose. Too much oil money, not enough booze. East of the Rockies and west of the rest, I do my best to do my damnedest, and that's just about all I guess.
Past Revelstoke now, climbing the Rogers Pass. Second snow shed, fall on the take off the hammer and rest them up. Go horizontal for a couple hours before I put her in the rhubarb. Come again on the Richardson ground squirrel.
Well, Saskabush is pretty. Yep, she's pretty flat. Lord knows I'm a prairie boy, so I'm pretty used to that. But farmers facing off with gophers, man, it ain't the same as being home at the Saddle Dome for the Oilers at the Flames. Well, the roads get better every time I cross that Saskatchewan line. And I tip my hat and it's good to be back on Mountain Standard Time. Hurtin, Albertan, with nothing more to lose. Too much oil money, never enough booze. East of the Rockies and west of the rest. Do my best to do my damnedest, and that's just about all I guess.
Yeah, driver, you got your flappers on. Let's get off this trucker channel and take her on down the chute. Did you see that bulldog bobtail in the freight burner? Just about blew my doors off going by. Better watch for Smokey on 4 legs, the Royal Mounted Police. That picture taker's gonna send them an invitation right away. Keep the shiny side up. Goodbye, turkey. So long.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ridley Bent, and I just had a crazy couple days, and this is how they went. We were putting on a barn dance over in Cloverdale. The band I hired was hotter than a Mexican jail. We went on at midnight, we cooked the place till dawn. When a guitar lick caught on fire in the middle of our last song. Burning barns down all over town. Well, luckily for us, we got the gear into the bus without a scratch. We're all good people, so no doubt a few angels have got our backs. We're burning barns down all over town. Can't help it. Burning barns down all over town. We had a couple days off before we opened up at George Strait. And one of our very good friends took us out for $50 steaks. Yeah, he showed us his warehouse full of vintage gear. He said, "What's mine is yours, as long as it don't go far from here." But we all sat around and played everything he had. But we broke in to ring a fire, lightning struck us bad. Burning barns down all over town. Yeah, luckily for us, the law's convinced we didn't break the rules.
The gate's done. I'm sure those are
Even
the last.
luckier is the fact that our agent hasn't booked us any schools. We've been